Hello, people. Hi, my name is Ishita, and welcome to episode 6 of MT. That is Muffin Tales. It's been quite some time last I said it, but here I am with something new. So, let's begin, shall we? First things first, the quality of my voice is going to change a bit in the episode, and what I want from you guys is to focus on what I'm saying. And yes, I'm working on the quality, and hopefully it will improve soon. But yeah, just focus on the content. And if you're here for the first time, hi, welcome, and thank you for stopping by. Now, like I mentioned earlier, something new this time. Well, actually, it's someone new. Today, I have someone with me, not as a guest, not as a co host, but as a guest co host, who, along with me, will be talking about the topic which I think by now you're aware about. So, अगली आवाज अब आप उसकी सुनेंगे.
Hi everyone, I am Tanvi. I met Ishita during our undergraduation and we have been friends since then. To tell something about myself, I guess I would say I'm someone who's ambitious. My hobbies range from reading books, listening to music, and dancing. And I would also like to say thank you so much, Ishita, for having me on your podcast. I am so proud of you for starting something so special and amazing, and kudos to that.
Thank you. Thank you, Tanvi. Okay, now, excited?
Yes,
करें शुरू?
bilkul. Let's start.
Let's start. Confidence. An attribute that everyone wants to possess. A trait that becomes the most attractive trait in a person. A thing which we want to stay with us forever in our lifetime. Your voice, posture, facial expression, and emotions display your confidence. But what is it about this adjective that makes people want this so much? That makes an interviewer approve of an interviewee? It's the feeling. It's the feeling of belief. Belief in one's own self and abilities.
Very true. And guys, the thing is that, we are living in a world where everyone wants to achieve everything. बहुत ज़्यादा competition है.
बहुत.
But the truth is that everyone is trying hard and everyone is full of talent too. So, like, what is it in a person who can actually go and grab the winning trophy? Confidence. Exactly. Confidence isn't only about, being outspoken regarding anything and everything. It is definitely not about jumping off the cliff or, maybe walking into a room with your nose in the air. It is all about seeking discomfort and twisting it the same for your sake. It is about having a clear head and then just, going for it, even if the world thinks you're crazy. It really means feeling so sure of yourself and your abilities in a realistic and secure way.
So, tell me, guys, are you confident? I'm sure you are. If you haven't been lately, then just listen to the whole episode. क्या बता वो छुपा हुआ कॉन्फिडेंस बाहर आ जाए.
बिल्कुल सही.
You can be confident just about anything and everything. You can be confident about your career, art, music, dance, cooking, baking, work, anything. And if you're one of the scholars who just is excellent in his studies, then you should definitely be confident about that. And just like Tanvi said, confidence is all about being realistic and secure about your abilities.
So tell me, Ishita, what are you confident about?
Well, I'm confident about my time management skills and my tidying up skills. And I want to say, amongst the three, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I am most confident about making breakfast, but I'm not going to say that. Though, and what are you confident about?
Um, well, I think I'm going to say I'm confident about my communication skills and my organizing skills.
Communication, to for sure. So, see, guys, the same goes for you. You listeners, you are also confident. You can be confident just about anything. And you yourself should be able to tell that. It can be common as well as unique. So just reflect upon yourself and find out what you are confident about. Now, let's add two prefixes before the word confidence and throw a little light on them. I will be talking about overconfidence, and Tanvi here
Hi, guys.
will be talking about self confidence. So, over to you, Tanvi.
Okay, so self confidence. Heavy words, right? No, I guess not, right? Because, they have a deep meaning for sure, but they're not so heavy if you think about it. It actually means accepting and trusting yourself and having a sense of control in life. When you have that confidence in you, you will not bother comparing yourself with anybody because it won't matter. Yes, exactly. It is actually about realizing that you have no one, I mean literally, not one reason to match up to anybody on this planet Earth. You can look up to somebody for inspiration, for sure, but believe in you and understand that you are different, original, and have an altogether different yet fruitful journey that has been already mapped out for you.
Correct.
Why want to live somebody else's life? Things won't happen for you the same way it did for them. It will take time, maybe, but it will be so much worth it. It is not something that can be taught, yeah, something which comes in you all of a sudden. You need to have a positive outlook towards life in general. Tab aayega self confidence. Confidence is not all linked to success, obviously. If you are achieving what you desire, then you do get a boost. But champ is someone who is confident about his or her abilities in general. Do not question yourself all the time and doubt yourself. Just believe, take a step in the right direction, think, not overthink. Put up a huge smile on your face and trust that all is well. And voila, you are surely going to feel the confidence running in your veins. Even I am learning how imperative is this quality and how it should be inculcated in your personality for a short success in life.
Overconfidence. There is a very, very thin line between confidence and overconfidence. If you haven't breached it yet, then take it from someone who has breached it. I meant myself. It's not a joyous occasion. The outcome is not nice. The feeling is not nice. And breaching the line kinda puts a dent in our confidence. I have told this tale before in episode 3 about my maths board exam debacle. And the reason it happened was overconfidence. Confidence turned into overconfidence after seeing a paper that I knew I had the capability to solve, which in turn made me slow and lazy. And that resulted in whatever it was. Becoming overconfident in most cases happens unknowingly. It is indeed a very thin line, and you realize it after retrospecting. But guys, when your confidence makes you lazy, slow, arrogant, and unaware of the surroundings, yes, you just started on the path of overconfidence. And I need you to come back from it. Now, how to avoid overconfidence? Well, what I'm asking you to do is just to have an open mind and pay attention to the feedback, because that's important. Coming towards the end of this episode, let's talk about when do we start losing confidence. It happens when what we expected isn't the same as what actually happened. And not just for that one time, but it continues happening for quite a long time. Confidence diters or gets affected by some unintentional remarks by parents, peers, colleagues, and friends. But these are also the same people who does help in regaining it. If you're not the type whose confidence gets affected so easily, great. Absolutely great. Just continue moving forward with that confidence.
And guys, if maybe you are the type who loses confidence easily or wishes to just give up easily, what you need are some honest friends. Those friends who know your caliber, your willpower, and your strength, who will ask you to give it a try again or will actually agree with your decision. Also, if you're fortunate, your family's ever ready support is also one of the contributors to boosting of your confidence. It is okay if you have hit a roadblock. It happens. But the ones who cross it with utmost vigor are the true champions. They are truly the ones who have lived a life completely. Setting up small milestones and achieving them gives much satisfaction, and that affects the confidence level in a person in a very positive manner. I know, guys, I know it's very easy to just talk about it, and karna mushkil hai. But honestly, guys, this is something which even we are learning day by day.
Yes.
So, why not learn this together? I mean, group study to help karti hi hai na?
Well, very well said. So just remember, guys, twist that discomfort into comfort, have self confidence always in your pocket, and don't ever celebrate an easy paper unless if it's over. Because apparently it ain't over till it's over.
Great. Okay, guys, I really, really hope that whatever we talked about today was relatable to you और आप इतने से पक्का मोटिवेट तो हुए ही होंगे.
And lastly, finally, last, pakka wala last, I want to take this opportunity to thank Tanvi for being a part of this. So, thank you for
Thank you.
contributing on the content. Thank you for recording it as many times as wanted it to. Although zyada nahi, but still it was more than one. And just thank you for appreciating this. And you guys, thank you for listening. Exo, exo.
Well, I think that went well.